Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the file state, because Word will refuse edits on read-only or final documents. Open File Info. If you see read-only or marked final, clear it. Next, check Windows permissions and OneDrive sync. Make sure the file isn't locked by another device or app. Once done, save a duplicate to your desktop. This prevents data loss and gives you a writable copy to work on immediately, which often fixes the edit block. Now inspect Word's internal protections, because protected view or editing restrictions can block typing. Go to Options Trust Center Protected View and disable temporary checks only for trusted files. Remove any editing restrictions under Restrict Editing. If track changes is creating conflicts, accept or reject changes to restore normal editing. If issues persist, run a quick repair or open Word in safe mode to isolate add-ins that may prevent edits, and then restart Word. Finish by resolving account or file locks, because licensing or stuck temporary files can silently block editing. Sign out of Office and sign back in to refresh your license and cloud permissions. This often restores edit rights. Look in the file folder for tilde or TMP files and delete stale locks, then reopen the document. If nothing works, copy the content into a new document to preserve formatting and edits. This workaround recovers your work while you troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.